Cottage cheese, also known as paneer, is a freshly made cheese that is very common to Indian cuisine. This lesson is all about making this versatile cheese and using it in appetizers, entrees, curries, and desserts. To make cottage cheese or paneer, you will need 1 liter of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a colander lined with a cheesecloth, and some ice cubes. First, add milk to a sauce pot and let it boil. Stir occasionally. Boil milk to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a candy thermometer to check the temperature. Now, slowly add lime juice to the hot milk. Stir for a while. Close the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. After a while, the milk will start to curdle and the whey will start to separate from the milk. When you see a clear yellow whey, add ice cubes to the sauce pot. This helps in setting soft and delicious cheese. Take a large bowl to collect the whey. Now, put a colander in this bowl. Line the colander with a cheesecloth. Strain the milk in the cheesecloth. Collect the coagulated milk fragments tightly into the cheesecloth and squeeze out all the excess whey. Discard the whey that is collected. Now, take 2 containers that can fit into each other. Make 7 to 8 holes to the base of one of the containers. Place the container with holes in a large bowl. Put the cheesecloth that has squeezed cheese in the container with holes. Press with the hand to flatten and shape the cheese along the base of the container. Now, place the other container on top of the cheesecloth. Finally, place a heavy weight in the container to give pressure. Now, place this in a cool place for 2 hours for the cheese to set. After 2 hours, the cheese will be set. Remove it from the container carefully so as not to break it. Cut cubes of the cheese and place it in a container with water. Store cheese in the refrigerator. This cheese will remain fresh for 3 to 4 days. Use as and when needed to make dishes.